Hey everybody, so this is Jairo and I am here with another video for you. This time we're going to do a chain repair. When you are out there, you get a broken chain or probably just problem with the shifting. It could be that your chain is bent or about to get broken. In this case, I'm going to do a chain that is bent. It is so bad that you can't ride your bicycle. So before you go out riding, of course, you know that you have to have with you the master link designed for your chain. The master link is two little pieces that hook to each other really easy by hand without tools. So you are supposed to carry a master link for your chain, at least one of them, especially when you do long distance. Carry this with you on your repair kit and you will make it back home riding your bike. So I have this bicycle here set up now just to get this going. When you guys have the SRAM brand, you will love the SRAM brand derailleurs because they have a lock for the cage. You just press this little guy there and now the cage is locked and you have plenty of room to work on the chain. This is our bad link. You guys can see it there. So this link got damaged. I will remove it and I will replace this link with the master link. So let's get to it. I'm gonna do it with a tool that you probably have. So this is a tool that has all kind of bits, but it has the chain breaker. I'm gonna do it with this one. It's not easy, but it'll do it. So let's start removing the bad link just like that. This pin comes out first. You heard the little noise and you can remove this pin all the way. Make sure you don't leave any garbage behind. Pick everything and put it back in your little bag in your pocket. So I have one half is out now. Now I will remove the other half. This little guy is coming out. So this is our bad link. You guys can see it. So you're gonna save this in your pocket. Don't leave nothing behind. So for the next step, we're not gonna need tools. You just need your bare hands. You're gonna put one half of the link on the inside of the chain, the other half on the outside, and you will notice that the two plates have a big hole and the small hole. You will go on the big one and I will show you how to do the next step. So you just press this and then pull a little bit and just leave it. Now remove the lock from the derailleur if you have SRAM components, and then the link, the master link is down here, but you want to rotate the chain until the link is up here above the chain stand. So I'm gonna keep looking at it. I will spin the crank arms until I have the link up here just above the chain stand. With your left hand grab the wheel and with your right hand you will hit the crank arm on this end just like this. You heard the noise. Now the master link is on and you can see the chain is perfectly aligned and you did not lose any chain, so you are good to shift up and down before hopping on your bicycle. Shift up and down and confirm that all the shifting is good. You don't have any jumping, skipping or noises, and that is the sign that you did a good job and you can make it back home. That was it for today, guys. So next time we will have more videos for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, comment, and ask the questions or suggest the topics you want us to work on, and we will make more videos for you.